Welcome to Tech Journey channel. Today we are going to do my profile project. In this project you are going to use HTML5 CSS3 Bootstrap and the little bit of JavaScript. Then I'll show you what is the project you are going to develop. This is the project we are going to develop. In this navbar section there is a my profile icon. It linked to the home section and there are some link also. Home is about me, skills, portfolio like this. When you hover that link, text color should change. This is the home page appearance, and in the about section there is the image. When you hover this image, there should transition like this. If you minimize the screen, it should show like in the one column, and in the navbar should hide with the toggle icon. When you click that icon, nav links should be shown. Then in the skill section, I have divided skills into two columns for the programming skills and the other skill. Here I have used bootstrap bars to show the percentage of skills. Then in the portfolio section, you can add your images of project you have done so far. When you hover these images, there should happen transition like this. Then in the certificate section, there are three columns in that section for the certificate, work experience and the achievement. Here I have used some font icons and the linear gradient background like in the home page. This background images should fix like this. Finally, you are going to develop that contact section. This is the contact look like. You can show your address, phone numbers and the emails here. And they also have some font icon. If you click this icon, it should link to the relevant addresses. This is the project you are going to develop. For the development, I use Visual Studio Code because I prefer to use this editor. You can simply download and install Visual Studio Code in your PC like this. Go to your internet browser and search VS Code. This is free open software. It also available for Windows, Linux and Macs also. I am not going to do that because I have already installed it in my computer. After that, you should install extension name live server in the Visual Studio Code. By having this, you can easy to run the project. Like this. It will refresh the browser as soon as you have saved the project. Like this. Then you can get Bootstrap from the bootstrap.com. And you can download font file from the download.com. You can also get initial setup folder and the final project folder from my GitHub account. You can download or clone it. Then you have all the initial files. Let's start the work in the next video. If you want to see more content like this, and you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for the watching. See you in the next video.